How to get face tracking on Roblox. The very first thing you need to make sure that your application Roblox is up to date. If it is not up to date, then what you want to do is head over to your app store and move into your application Roblox. There you'll find the option of update. Click on it and then update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, open it. Enter your login credential and then sign in to a specific account. Once you are in here, click on More at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and head over to Settings. Move into Privacy. Now once again scroll all the way down, and inside Camera Input, the option of Use Camera to animate your avatar with your movement will be visible to you. All you want to do is toggle on this button. Click on this checkbox and then click on Enable. There you go, this option has been enabled successfully, which also means that your face tracking on Roblox has been enabled. So that's it, and this is simply how you can enable face tracking on Roblox. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.